the 70 Series Muffler. This muffler uses a large case for increased volume to minimize sound levels. It utilizes Flowmaster's patented Delta Flow technology to maximize efficiency and minimize interior resonance. Flowmaster states the 70 Series mufflers are perfect for high-performance street cars, most trucks, SUVs, RVs, and tow vehicles. When it comes to sound levels, the 70 Series read an average of 82 decibels at 3,000 RPMs at 30 feet away, keeping things on the quiet side, yet still providing an improved sound. Let's have a listen to the 70 Series on our 72 El Camino.